In this video, you are going to see how to use the self timer on the Sony A6700 camera. You can use this feature while clicking self portrait photos or any other shots. First, make sure you are in camera mode by turning the dial like this. Next, on the screen, you can see some different options on the left and right and even on the bottom side. Here on the left side, you can see a rectangle icon. This is called drive mode. Maybe in your camera, these are going to be changed or mismatched based on how you set it. And even this rectangle icon is also not showing for you. Maybe some different icon is showing. This rectangle icon will only show because I enabled single shooting on my camera. Now, if you scroll down, you can see the self timers. You can set either 10 seconds, 5 seconds, or at least 2 seconds as minimum. If you go to the bottom, you can see some more options that you can change according to your preferences. And that's it. This is how you can enable the self timer on the Sony A6700 camera. Like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks of videos and also to reach out to more people who are searching for this problem.